Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. Before we go any further, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. You'll receive any future notifications of any videos that I might bring out. I do lots of free offerings, and today is no exception, but I'd like to introduce you to a program that I'm involved in, and I think it would be beneficial to all you affiliate marketers out there and internet marketers that are either struggling to make money online or haven't made money online. This program will teach you how to do it the right way, okay, and has everything in it, and I'll go through that with you in a moment. At the end of this video, I have an extra special bonus for you. I can give you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, whether it be a blog, a website, an affiliate page, an affiliate link, or a YouTube video, whatever you like. You can have 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a site of your choice, no strings attached, no credit card, no debit card, no credit card payment details, okay? So these will be drip fed over the course of a year or so, okay? You won't get them all at once, and you can change your URL at any time you like, okay? So I will tell you where to collect that after this video. So guys, if you're looking for proven traffic, trusted money making program, we have personalized live weekly training and 24 hours support, okay? This is the most popular and trusted name on the online home business training, and it's backed by our 26 years in experience, all right, in the industry. We've been here longer than Google, believe it or not. So what will you get with this package? You can come in and join as a free member, have a look around. There's no obligation to buy anything. You can try it out, and there's lots of free information, free gifts, and lots of good stuff to get you going, okay? So you'll get, if you upgrade at any time, you'll get $1,500 worth of membership packages, okay? They're free for life. You'll get 18 membership upgraded packages, okay? And you can e-blast to any website or offer to 90,000 of our subscribers every month. You'll get over 500 plus landing pages and over 1,500 real traffic sources. Also, our monitors will start closing sales for you today without ever charging you anything. That's all free, okay? Your commission earnings will be from 20 to 100%. Plus, when you upgrade, or if you upgrade, the decision is totally up to you, we'll place 50 associate members under you immediately, so you can start marketing straight away. Okay, we have various sales on. At the moment, I'm making this at the weekend, and we have a weekend sale on. So the sales change from day to day. At the moment included, we are offering a diamond URL rotator for 1 year, which is 5 URLs with no limits, and a Ruby Solo Blaster package, which includes 5 solo ads you can send to over 135,000 subscribers, and our Traffic Blaster Pack Unlimited, which lasts for 1 year, unlimited traffic, and you can change your URL at any time. Okay, folks, and that's just a bonus for signing up. There's loads more when you upgrade, okay? So the silver membership and extreme lifetime packages includes ready built website that you control, okay? It's your control, it's your website. We host it for you. You get an Amazon, eBay, ClickBank and JVZoo ready. And like I said, you get 50 members placed under you immediately. And the commissions are instant. You get paid on the 15th of every month by a payment method that suits you. We have various different payment methods. So we have landing pages, squeege page builder. Just one click and you can build over 500 landing pages to promote any of your opportunities. Okay, you don't have to promote what I'm promoting. You can promote anything you like. You'll get your own Amazon storefront, which is another source of income you can use, and that's also connected to your site, and you can also add links. You get free ads, free copy of the ads, content, images, and more. There's lots more. Okay. So you also get our prospect management system, so you can easily enter leads. The type of lead you follow up your information, follow up sales, letters, they're already in the program. So you've got all those sales letters ready to use for your instant use. We have over 100 bootcamp training programs, plus online lessons for most of the lessons are online, okay, and we also have unlimited access to live weekly interactive training with marketing expert. All right, and you can also come back to me at any time and I will help you on your way. Okay, we have live weekly updates every week on a Friday. You can join us there live, okay? You'll get unlimited access to 3 Facebook marketing courses, so you need to take advantage of this traffic. It's quite an awesome method these are teaching on video tutorials. These are. You'll get your own domain-based website for professionalism, a website management system so you can add pages, make edits, add your own affiliate links, social media links and so on. And this is an exclusive use of our landing page builder. With one click you can easily build over 500 landing pages like I mentioned before. We also have Prospect Manager where you can track your prospects, their logins and follow them up. Okay, track your referral URLs, where we have a PLR product vault, so you can personally download privileges for over 215, as it stands at the moment, 215 different products. We bought these rights for our members so you can have them too. You can get banners and ad swipes, landing pages, pop-ups, ad copy, templates, all ready made for you to use in your promotions right now. And we have live sales closing assistance made possible by our 24-hour monitor network, and refer people to our program, and we try to make the sales for you. Okay, you get solo email blaster privileges. You can send out your ads to 90,000 double opt-in subscribers every month. You get access to our promo code center. We have exclusive offers from other sites giving you well over 1 million advertising credits. Traffic control dashboard. We have developed a way for you to manage all of your traffic generating accounts under one dashboard. You can even give away traffic as a bonus to your buyers. You'll get traffic injections every month. You get thousands of advertising credits to use as you like. Traffic analytics, so you know exactly where your traffic is coming from and how much you're getting, and you get all this information instantly. Also included is our link cloak. Well, it's not a machine, it's a tool. Our link cloaker tool, our tool cloaks all of your marketing links to your own domain name. Okay, so you never lose commissions, and this also is fantastic for backlinking. You get 20 plus traffic streams, and these are sites that's hand selected to produce traffic. State of the art SEO, search engine optimization. This is a kit that includes the most advanced automated backlinking software and tools to make your website go to the top of the search engines. And so you also get our ClickBank promo kit, which includes over 200 products that you sell. Okay, and there's really, you only have to put in your ClickBank information in here, and it's all automatically, and you get 100% commissions of all the sales. Moneymakers promo kit, top affiliate programs, and a system to sell on autopilot. You get 100% commissions on all these sales. The PLR store, you get access to the store for your own personal use. Hundreds of stuff in there, and ebooks, video courses, all sorts of things like that. Okay, so we pay you 20% plus huge bonuses, and commissions are paid directly to your PayPal account. We have a magic list builder. You can have your ad pop up at any website with just a few clicks. You have to see this in action to believe it. Sign up notifier, so you know instantly who signs up under you, and 20 plus income streams. These are hand selected by our website. Okay, unlimited income resources. Use these tools and traffic included in your membership to sell anything you wish. Okay, including any affiliate products, services, PLR products. You're not limited to selling anything. Okay, training and support is second to none, and it's all included in this package. You get a home business boot camp training, like I said earlier. You can watch the expert at work. Okay, that happens every week. You get individual training if you ask for support and if you need it. So the advertising resources, we provide landing pages, banners, text ads, and automated Twitter and social media ads. Individualized report card, that's right, you can always check on your own progress. And our team of monitors are working for you to close your business live in the business center, and the technical support again is 7 days a week, 365 days of the year to help you build your online business and make sure you're doing it the correct way. Okay folks, I could go on, but I've got to keep this video below 15 minutes. Alright, so to claim your 50,000 free visitors to any website of your choice, no strings attached, and to come and have a look at what I've just been talking about, all you need to do is click the link below this video. Okay, you can come in, have a look at the website. You don't have to sign up for any PayPal or any credit card details required. Just sign up to the website, have a look round, and make your own mind up. Excuse me, okay? There's no pressure selling here whatsoever. It sells itself. If you're interested and you want traffic for your affiliate marketing or internet marketing needs, this is the place to be. Okay, so just for looking around, I'm going to give you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a site of your choice. Okay, so you can change this URL at any time. So folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more free offerings I might have. From now until my next video, It's goodbye from me. Stay safe, everyone. Don't forget to click that link below to get your 50,000 free guaranteed visitors.